Bangkuna Wawasan.
Banguna Wawasan. This is Banguna Wawasan actually.
It's not I don't know that.
Let me start show her. Banguna ก็คือบอกว่า Oh, there is a Banguna Wawasan. Cái chị à lò sạp đi đi à. They teach me a new place in my own hometown. Oh my god. Nice. Opening this door.
You want?
Let's see the directions.
Can I ask you something? We come from Thailand. We come here to learn English. Can Proxy Temple how we go?
Take a bus.
Hello everyone, today we will present about South Korea. My name is Penny. My name is Kim. My name is Vicky. My name is Lee. Trade architect of Korea. Okay, the name is Mugunghara flower. South Korea national flower. The Mugunghara flower, also known as the Rose of Sarawak, blooms across the country between July and October. The name is kimchi. Royal socially kimchi is a traditional food in Korea. Cuisine consisting of vegetables such as Chinese, hamburger and radishes, pickled with salt and
We will present project about New Zealand. My name is Kate.
My name is Lee.
My name is Waipu.
My name is Jenny. My name is Waywood.
So the first is talking about the New Zealand. So New Zealand is located in the ocean. So they have the two islands. It's a north and a south island. Yeah.
And the next is a popular mountain in New Zealand is a Mount Cook. It's a popular tourist destination. Is a favorite in New Zealand. And next, it's the national flower of New Zealand. It's bamboo. It has a lot of colors such as purple, pink, or sky blue. And it has a lot of this looking at Tekapori.
And the line is it's a lime stick. It's made of from sheep and have the churches, electricity and solution you can buy in the New Zealand.
So thank you for